So guys, welcome to my vlog. It's my first time for eating dumpling. So I'm gonna pick some color. I want this glitter, light purple or blue. So let's open it. First guys, you're gonna see it. Yeah, I cannot open it.
You see,
One,
guys.
two, the glitter. Oh my god, the glitter, guys. It is super cute.
Yari, June.
My brother also have a dumpling, but it's not real dumpling because my dumpling can squish and it's not. And I also got the glitter. I also dream the glitter, guys, because no orange there, and then this is the glitter.
It's always squishy in mine, bro.
My brother also
Captain America dumpling.
is a Captain America dumpling,
Can I try?
so it can broke.
Wow.
It can broke. You know why? Because it's not real. This is only squishy,
It's like,
but because my dumpling doesn't broke. Look at inside them. Look at inside.
a ball, ball yan, ball.
Really ball. And guys, the face will not remove because my other dumpling just broke. Because it's such squishy. So this now cannot broke now.
Ang ganda ng Captain
This is
America
super squishy.
Papapet mo ka to sa susunod.
This face is
Kaya ganyan na sa'yo kasi pamboy.
so bye guys.
Pabrush.